Hello and welcome to one more informative video from InfoButter. In the previous video, we talked about hacking. Infobutter.com was hacked by somebody, and somebody uploaded unwanted or unrecognized file in the media gallery. So in this video also, we'll try and see these files first of all. So let's go to media and click on this library icon. Herein we can see there are files. Previously there were like 5,000 odd files in the media gallery, and here also, like, again, some files that were uploaded. We did use some of the security settings. We checked some of the plugins to make sure that there are no issues at that level, and we also changed the password of this website to make sure that there is no security lag from that end. But the problem was different. In this case, we'll analyze what exactly happened and how to fix that. So as you can see, all these files, I don't recognize them. They're not related to my website. How do I know they're not related? All I have to do is go to this all media items right here, click on unattached, and in some time it will filter all the files that are not associated with any blog post. So there are about 207 files that are uploaded, that too without permission. So let's open up one of the documents to check all the details. We can check who uploaded the documents, and we can also remove them simultaneously. So removing them is not a big task. You can simply click on any of the file, for example this one, and delete it from here, delete permanently. But the idea is not just to delete but also understand what exactly happened. So we need details of, first of all, we need details of who uploaded these files. To get that information, all you have to do is you have to click on any of the file. For example, I'll click on this this particular PDF. So the name is SolidWorks 2007 SP00 crack. So normally people search these keywords on internet or maybe in search engine like Google. So the idea behind uploading this file must be to add some backlinks. That is part of SEO. Many people use wrong practices and hack websites to download that. Can you see this download link? This is not related to my website anyways. So this document was uploaded so that when somebody searches, reaches here, clicks, and redirects to their website. Now we'll have to check more details. The file was uploaded by this specific user. The size is 115 KB. This is the file type PDF and the name itself. But we just don't have to delete it. We have to make sure that there is no other user who uploads it. If we click on any other file, it is uploaded by some other user. So this user does not belong to me. No, somebody just logged into the user, created an account and uploaded these files. How this happened? For that we have to reset password for a user in this WordPress site. So we can simply find, first of all, just open a notepad file, copy. This is also a technique you can use to reset a user's password in case you're using WordPress. Okay, so I've just copied the user. All you have to do is go to this user section right here, click on all users, search from here, and we'll get this. This is the email ID. We'll copy that and let's just reset the password. Okay, set new password. We'll use the default one, update user, and copy. Now the next step is to log out from here and log in with this user. You can use any of this. You can use this email ID or this user ID. Both will work. Password, media. So as you can see, the user, the subscriber, has access to my media files. He can simply upload any of the document he wants by clicking this add button, drop files. So many people, if you are using WordPress for your blog, make sure that the user has limited access only. Otherwise, this can happen to you also. Previously, there were about 5,000 plus documents. Now there are 394 documents, and it will keep on increasing. If you click the latest one, it is uploaded on 12th of September. That is today. So there are so many files being uploaded. So what we can do is, before we delete all these files, we'll make sure that this media section is not visible. So we can restrict access to media library for this particular user. Let's log out first and log in with our ID. So to restrict access to media library, all we can do is we can use a simple plugin, and using that plugin we can restrict this access. The plugin name is Advanced Access Manager. Click on that, or in short form it's AAM. Okay, I think this is not the name. Access Manager. Okay, it's Advanced Access Manager, not Advanced. Install this plugin. It'll take a few seconds to get this installed and activate it. As soon as you activate it, you'll find AAM icon on the left hand side. Scroll it down and here it is. Click on it. Using this plugin, you can restrict access to all kind of users. From, for example, you're running an e-commerce website, you can restrict access to your users, editors, like here's the list, shop managers. But now we're talking about, in this specific case, we're talking about this subscriber who has uploaded so many files for SEO purpose, but it is not good for our website. It will make them slow and create unwanted backlinks, which we do not want. So click on this gear icon right here and access policy. Let's see what all links it has. Okay, backend menu. So media files, restrict this menu. This media files upload. You don't have to save it because it will save on this click itself. And now let's log out and check if the user can access. This is the email ID and password. Login. So as we can see, this user cannot log in, cannot actually access the media folder because this is actually not required. Any of the subscriber, he doesn't need to do anything with the media files until he's a contributor or writing a blog article on our website. So just log out, and this change will happen, like it will automatically reflect for all the users that have subscriber type role. So this is done. Now we can actually go ahead and delete all the files and we'll be safe. Other security measures we have already taken in the previous video, like changing the passwords, checking out the plugins, all we've already done. So first we'll find this unattached. Okay, so there are how many files? Let's scroll down. There are 207 files, and we'll delete them all one by one, or we can delete in one go, like select all and delete. Thank you very much guys for watching, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do click the subscribe button, because we are going to come up with so many interesting and informative videos on this channel. And we're also coming up with a Photoshop tutorial and some WordPress knowledge tutorials. So wait for them and do click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.